Where I am in, so I am in now area. So I am in now area. So I'll go to this IAM, add, add role assignment. Go to the members. Here I'll select the identity and select this one, and I'll select the other as a connector for Databricks. As a connector for and I'll select text. Uh, Now on identity, then I select on cricket. So I select on next. Okay, now select the role blob contributor, blob storage blob contributor. Then next it is there, and this is connected, and this is connected, and review and assign. Okay, now I assign the Azure Access Database connector. Um, the contributor access to the legend to in the folder for the staging area what I've created. Now, as per this, I have to I have completed this part. Okay, after that I was able to use this connected center without using any account key. What is next step? What is the next step? Okay, configuration. Now it is ready, right? Okay, now it is ready. So it is telling that to go to if you want to ticket like enable, let me know. I'll give you like a settlement stuff. Yeah, I have ticket log enabled. Just give that example. Now do the set environment. Okay, create a storage connection. The external locations and the database there. Access. Okay, then go to the go to the catalog explorer, launch the dot space. Okay, now I'm going to the Dropbox. Go to the catalog. I'll create the external data. I'll create the external location. Okay, before that, I need to create the credentials. So let me create the credentials of identity credential uh, access connector. So access connector most probably this one. We see. If it is this one, okay, let me check. Choose the external data operator, the external data, choose the credentials and okay, credential name, credential type, okay, so ID and create a verify that is created. Um, let's go back here and just create it. Already exist. Credential already exists. Next, okay, external location. This external location. And it is using this one. Okay, if I store in there, okay, no, name is this. Okay, let me try give some other name. Credential, um, storage. Let me give this user assigned. Let me create. Okay, it is created now. Integrated probably. Okay, see now again go back to external data. Create external location. External location. Uh, location. SGADF. and 2. Okay, so this one, mm, it is this fine, so it has to be abfss colon slash slash container, container at the rate storage dot dfs dot co dot windows dot net slash path. Okay, so I will go to my storage location. I will go to my storage location. Mm, this is container, right? This is container storage.dfs is to storage account. What is this much only? Okay, so I have selected this one. I remove this and then let me create it. This is success. Let me check the connection from here. This is done. Let me double check if it is created. Okay, now grant permission to your user group to use the credential locations. Grant to account. You can replace account user with specific group. Uh, how can I do this here? So storage grant usage and storage credential to account users. Now grant permission to your user or a group to use the credential locations. Run this. The return database must be a store admin. Let me queue and execute this ADF once again. Debug. Okay, data factory is executing now. This should run. This will run. This is executed successfully. So database has now access to the intelligent of the staging layer. And so first it will read from the table, write it into staging layer. In that case, let me go here. This is logs. Okay, take you on this one. To settings, storage path. Okay. Oh my god. I think it will fail, right? I will join here. Pulling data from here to here and taking time. Okay, published while it is running. This is what I like it. This is still executing. This is still executing. Okay, I can give the overview what I have done. So I have done is from the EDF, I am pulling the data from the Databricks, which is there in the managed table, um, to Azure SQL database. To the Azure SQL database. For that, within the Databricks, I have created the within rows. I have created the table, managed table. I have created the managed table within the Unity catalog. Yeah, within the Unity catalog, I created the uh, table and load the data from the mm, load the data from the trips table, system table. For this, I have assigned the permission to this catalog. I have assigned the permission of the service principals of the ADF. Okay, along with this, in the compute, I made sure that I don't know. I made sure that I selected the access mode as a standard and shareables, and made that it is unrestricted. I made it as unrestricted. In the permission, I have added this ADS service center, the system. Okay, let's go back here. It is still executing. Still executing. Is it because of this? There's an existing compute. No, since I haven't reduced it, you increase your quotas as your quota. No, manage limits. Start factory is still running. Is there any option to stop this data factory? Okay, cancel options. Canceling. Okay, this is canceling. I suspect this compute is something problem. Let me confirm that.